Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to see about is class 3, it's a relation. So from discrete mathematics. So this is also an important question. Sure, you will get PYQ also. We are going to see side by side. Okay. I hope this is you understood all the concept. If you have any doubts regarding that yesterday concept or last video concept, just you can post in the questions in the comment box itself, or already have given WhatsApp group link actually. Just you can join and you can ask in the WhatsApp group also. Okay. Now we can start today's session. So relation. So the relation define the connection between two given sets. For example, here A will be the first set domain and B the second set codomain and R is the relation. First one, what is Cartesian product? So Cartesian product means just we are going to multiply this one. Okay. So here A into B is A comma B belongs to A capital A and B belongs to B relay this one set. So for example, A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to A comma B comma C means just I am going to multiply with 1 comma A, 1 comma B and 1 comma C. After that I am going to multiply again with 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C. So that is the meaning. That's the product method, just multiplication method. So first one, 1 comma A and 1 comma B and 1 comma C. So again next one with the 2 we have to do 2 comma A and 2 comma B and 2 comma C just we have to do. So this is the things we have done here also. And number of elements how we are going to calculate, just we have to multiply A into B. So A is 2 actually, B is the number of elements 3. So 2 into 3, 6 elements actually. Okay, actually from this type actually we will get this type of question, types of relation only. They won't ask you what is relation and something. So our important concept we have to cover what is the types of relation. Here based on this one, we have types reflexive, irreflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric, transitive, equivalence relation and partial ordering relation. Actually these are the everything is the basic types, reflexive, irreflexive, these are the things. This is very important. It's a combination of things. Okay, so from this part we will get questions actually. Now we'll see what is meant by what is one by one. First one, reflexive relation. So reflexive means nothing but it's every element related to itself actually. For example, directly we can say example, this condition, this is a condition actually they have given. For example, A 1 comma 2 comma 3 means 1 comma 2 comma 3 means the relation has to be 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 must be there. 3 elements also must be there, self it's related to itself. This is called reflexive relation. So since all self pairs are present, suppose for example, I don't have one, the relation they have given 1 comma 1 and 3 comma 3. 2 comma 2 is not there, means this is not a reflexive because 2 comma 2 it must be there. Okay, so this is called reflexive relation. And irreflexive relation. Irreflexive relation means no element related to itself. It's opposite terms to reflexive. So A comma E not belongs to R. For example, 1 comma 1 it won't allow. 2 comma 2 it won't allow. For example, my A will be 1 comma 2 comma 3. Relation they have given relation 1 they have given 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3 means this is not irreflexive because 1 comma 1 it has come. Okay, so no self pair it won't allow this one. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1 it will allow. Suppose if we'll put 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 something, it won't allow this one. This is called irreflexive method. Okay, next one, symmetric relation. What is symmetric? Symmetric means actually directly we can see the example. So 1 comma 2 this there means 2 comma must be there. So reverse order it must be there. 1 comma 2 reverse order 2 comma 1 it has to be there. That is called symmetric. It's just you can see 3 comma 3 you can ask. 3 comma 3 just you can put in the reverse 3 comma 3 1. It's not a problem. It's a self this one. So this is called symmetric method. Antisymmetric, it's opposite term. It won't allow 1 comma 2 is there means 2 comma 1 it won't allow. Suppose for example, I will give you 1 comma 1, and 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 I have given, means this is called actually symmetric. It is not antisymmetric. Okay. Okay, transitive relation. Transitive relation, nothing but actually, for example, I have with A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. So I will get A comma C also. Means A comma B and B comma C. So from this part, it implies A comma C. This answer we will get. So 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So 1 2 2 it will goes. It will this one delete, and to 1 comma 3 it will get. This is called transitive relation. It will create a new element, that is called. So you can see from that relation here they have given a relation. First I'll take this one 1 comma 2. With 1 comma 2, which one can take to eliminate others? So 2 comma 3 I can take, because it's ending with 2, it's starting with the end. Like this we have to check. So 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 1 also I can take. So 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 means 2 2 you can delete, 1 comma 1 will be the answer. 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 means what? 2 2 we can delete and 1 comma 3 will be the answer. With 2 comma 3 I can use 3 comma 1 3 comma 3 3 comma 2 also, because ending with 3 and starting with 3 you can see. So like this I can create this one can do transitive relation. So this is the so these are the transitive relation methods answers. Okay, now this is very important. What is equivalence relation? What is a partial ordering relation? What is equivalence relation? Equivalence means it's a combination of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it must be satisfy all the things. Okay. So this is called equivalence. So the questions we are going to see, and partial ordering means it has to satisfy reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive also. So this based questions only we will get maximum actually. So related PYQ we'll see now. Now we can see the some example PYQ question, but as one point I have actually left out, it's a typo error. Before this one is choose the correct answer. This one no. Before this one they have given actually A is a reflexive and B is antisymmetric. This is actually I left out antisymmetric, and C is called this is symmetric. Okay, they have given. So from this point we have to write. So question actually, let A equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and relation they have given. These are the relation, and A option they have given reflexive, B antisymmetric, C symmetric. From this option choose we have the which one is the correct answer. So A is the only A, B is the only C, like that they have given. This is actually one PYQ question. Now we can see A equal to this they have given. First of all, A means what? Reflexive. Reflexive we can check up. So what is reflexive actually? It has to this it has to come A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, D comma D, E comma E, F comma F, G comma G also must be that. That is called reflexive. So here A comma A, okay. B comma B, okay. Where is C comma C? No, it's not there. Automatically, while seeing itself, it is not A option. So I can eliminate this one. A option, this is the first elimination method we have to work out while doing the question. Really, it will be very useful, because whenever we can eliminate, sometimes with the initial stage itself we can eliminate 3 option also. So no need to work out. Time management we have to see, it's a very important. Even set exam, net exam, TRB also. So that's very it will be very useful for you, elimination method. So even both A and B they have given, so we can eliminate this also. But here we can't delete this one. There's not A they have given. Okay, now we can see symmetry. Antisymmetric, asymmetric, both we can see now. What is symmetric? C comma D is there, means I have to get D comma C. Just only one thing you can check out. No need to check G, C comma G, D comma G, everything for symmetric. Only you can this check out D comma C is not that. So automatically it's not C answer. So C also we can eliminate. I can say now B and not A I can say. But B means I have to just while doing practice, it must be this one check it properly. Then only it will be easy for working the question in exams actually. Now we will see C comma D means D comma C is there or not. We have to check. No. This is antisymmetric. Okay, this is eligible. C comma G also we have to check. G comma C is there? No. So this is antisymmetric. D comma G comma D, no. So this is also antisymmetric. Sometimes if they will give D comma G and G comma D they have given means that is not symmetric there and that is not antisymmetric also. Kindly note down, for example, with this relation, one in middle, if they have given G comma D means it won't get antisymmetric also because G comma D does come, and it is not symmetric also. C comma D comma C is not there. So automatically both it won't come. So this it has to check it properly. Okay. So now answer will be B and not A. Okay, next important question. Let be the set of all people. Let R be the binary relation P such that A comma B in R actually in relation. My question will be if A is a brother of B. Is R symmetric, transitive, equivalence, partial ordering relation? So like this comma comma they have given means we have to check in the order actually. This is symmetric, this is transitive, this is equivalence, this is partial ordering. That's the meaning actually. Okay, so that order must be there. Now I will check actually equivalence and partial first. I will check. I'm not going to check any symmetric and transitive. I'm going to use is here elimination method. Okay. So first of all, equivalence partial ordering means what is a common thing we have to satisfy? The reflexive relation. Equivalence means what? It's a combination of reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. What's a partial ordering? This is called what? Reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive. Okay. So both the things it has to satisfy first reflexive level. Okay. Now I can check A is a brother of B they have given. A is a brother of B. But A is a brother of A, B is a brother of A. It's not possible at all. It's not possible. So, reflexive relation, it won't come here. A is a brother of B. But A is a brother of A, B is a brother of A, we can't say. That is a not. It won't allow. It's not reflexive. It is not reflexive means equivalence also wrong, partial also wrong. So I can eliminate here. Yes, they have given third one equivalence. So I can eliminate this one. This one fourth one they have given yes. So I can eliminate this one. Again, I'll tell you, even theory questions, elimination method, it will be best tool for crack the exam. Even any type of competitive exams, really, it will be very helpful. Even if you don't know any question answer, also some little you have idea about the concept, really, it will be help. It will help you. Okay. Now I can check symmetric. Symmetric, no need to check. You can see here both and two answers are there. Here no they have given, you can see. So no need to check symmetric. My time will reduce actually. But anyway, if you want to check in the practice time, you can check it. A is the brother of B means I can write B is a brother of A. I can't say maybe B is a brother sister of A also. I can't tell B is a brother of A. Okay, so it's not possible to tell. So no, only they have given, so it's not a problem. And always transitive will be there. Transitive always A, B is there means B comma B is a brother of C means automatic is there means automatically it will go for transitive. So the answer will be so this one. Okay. So I just derivations I have given for your purpose I have given. Kindly check it. If you have any doubt regarding that, just you can ask again. I'll tell you one more information. This is it's very correct time to start the this one classes because we have set exam as well as net exam also we are going to write as a second next one September as well as December net exam. It will be very helpful to work out this. So we have the time. So I'm going to post everything full portions actually paper 1 and paper 2 computer science. So again, if you have any doubts regarding that, sure, you can ask in the comment box. Sure, I will reply as well as you can join in the WhatsApp group. A channel itself I've given. There I will post every types of notes. For example, exam time we need the definitions. like formulas, and what are the match the following questions, and what are the needs for exams. Sure, I'll post day by day. For example, audio video files we need for ICT papers. So like that table also I'll put daily basis, so just you will get lots of questions and lots of mark test and unit test also there. So join in the WhatsApp group if you are interested. And thank you thank you all of you. Just you can see to it. Next video we can see about set and graph theories, everything. Thank you all of you.